Right, this is one for you, Fair One Smurf. I can't really have a good video because it's on my shitty phone, but I've done all that what you said to the Xbox. Take it apart. The magnet, which is in there, was already in there, and it ain't moved, but it's still saying unplayable disc. Sometimes it plays Burnout, but that's the only game it plays. But all the other times it does this. If I bring that out, bring it back in, put the magnet on, you can see the laser. Look, it don't get past that bit. And then it stops. And, I'm trying to think what it could be. I was just wondering if you got any ideas. It definitely ain't the magnet. I've cleaned the lens, and I've cleaned like all inside the Xbox and all. It's basically fucked now, I think, because I've voided the warranty. But have you got any ideas? Let us know. Sweet.